Okay, time to wrap it up. Post Martin Luther King's birthday. Okay, we came in this morning wanting to be sellers. We thought the market would retest the 10 to 15 area. We saw really pretty good resistance at 30 to 35. Turns out resistance was 25 to 30. Had all the sell signals in the world coming down. Had retracement. We talked about how when a congestion area holds, we should retest this low and or take it out. So based on a pivot bars high, the lower part of that bar coming out, you could have been short here on a sell stop aggressively, or you could have taken the short off the software when it popped that S up and been short on a sell stop down here. You wanted to get short one time to retest that low. We didn't make it, and this was the trade that we talked about right here, where you took off at half the position at 10.50. We'd identified resistance in this area, and that held up. Actually, this is the price point that held up pretty good. And as soon as we took out that price point, it was off to the races. What was driving the trading? Minimally short covering and maybe new buying in front of the ECB's quantitative easing program that is supposed to start on Thursday. Now, if they don't do that, after telling the world they're going to do that, that would certainly hit equities. It would rally the European, the euro, which they don't want. It would hurt in a lot of different ways. So my guess is they're talking about the magnitude of the European Central Bank's move. So we have an outside day, and an outside day typically means trading range the next day. Our 85, 87 held up pretty well. This number at 82, we got pulled into this high volume area, and ever since then we've been up. 25, our 30 to 32, this area right here is pretty good resistance. And if we get through that, our 55, 57, and then that high up there at 67 is where the market is pointed. So this screen says trading range. I'm going to do an I split, and market is trading back up, retracing, and we've extended again an L period when we took out, we got stops above here. So we've got 23.25 as resistance is where we are right now. So if the market were to close right here, we'd be trying to sell 24s, 26s. And if we got through that, I think we'd go higher. We'd try 34, 36. Obviously, we got to get through 20 to do that. So I think we got a little bit more rally coming this afternoon as the shorts get squeezed some more. On the buy side, the breakout, our 10 to 12, which was our number 2 buy zone in this area, still looks good. And then 5 plus or minus for buy. So it all, can we get through resistance or not? Okay, financials got sold pretty good. Well, that's the first solution, but if it's happening with everybody, thanks, Jeff, for putting that in the room, then sometimes it's easier for me to relog in and out. We have an outside day here. The focus is the ECB's QE come Thursday. The screen says trading range. Strong market. The knob spread is still strong. It went to 20 on the close of the 2 contracts. That's the first time we've made it to 20. So the long-term money is still trading financials from the long side via the knob spread. We talked about the I split, why we do it. Easy during auction week, but we got potential mom here. Move out of the middle, came right out of volume. So we're going to be right where we were. We've got pretty good support, 16 to 20. Had to pay 24s to get in today. The E-mini breaks this afternoon. We'll be buying against 24. If the E-mini rallies this afternoon, we'll probably be able to buy against the 16 area. On the sell side, our 3 to 7 looks good right now, and then 11 to 15. Okay, we do have some news tomorrow. Housing starts and permits. It'll take the back seat to the ECB's move the next day. Pretty friendly number for the housing market, plus 104 for starts, permits plus 106. But I don't believe anybody will pay a lot of attention to those. Thank you, Jeff. Looking at the 30-year, got volume, a lot of volume down here at 22, all the way down to it's like 12. We're at 29 right now. Last rotate down was 24. I think we can do a little better. We'll make it 17 to 21 here. Put a question mark by 25. And then 9 to 13. On the sell side, we've got volume at 03, so it's pretty aggressive, but 03 to 07, sell 1. And then 15 to 19, sell 2. 30 years a mover. We haven't had trouble getting to our number 2 points anytime on this contract. On the 10-year, we have trouble. Okay, gold, we're flirting with 1,300. Today didn't quite make it, then the market got slammed this afternoon. And we've come back. So we retraced our 85 to 87, held up pretty well. I don't see any reason to abandon that number right now, so we'll put 85, 87 is buy 1. 97 to the buck is sell 1. We'll make 5 plus or minus sell 2. People are scared to death about what's going on in their governments and what's to come. The European move by the European Central Bank is bullish for gold. Okay, crude weakened quite a bit this afternoon, but we're probably still in a trading range. Definitely a seller at 50. A seller was just above 48 today. We've had a buyer below 46 and definitely below 45, so we're at 46.62. So headed for, my guess is the 45 to 46 area support. So our first buy, I think we can go a little bit lower, be 46.26, 46 even, 46 and a quarter, and 45.25 to 50. And on the sell side, we've got volume up here, so 47, 47 and a quarter, sell 1, and 50 to 75, sell 2. And the euro. If QE1 does not start on Thursday, the euro will rally back. It'll be a temporary reprieve. It's going lower because of the weakness of their economy and the fact that they can no longer defend themselves. So lower high, lower low. This one on the F1 screen supports lower prices. Okay, definitely dealing with a B. I think we're headed lower. We had a 50 to 60 buy today. Let's lower it to 115. 15.10, buy one. Going to run this thing down into the announcement on Thursday, and then our 75 number for buy two. On the sell side, pretty clean break here at 75, so 75.85, sell one. And then 16.10, sell two. This again remains one of the easiest shorts to see, and there's no magic here. The European Central Bank wants it lower. That's it for January the 20th. You all have a great evening. I'll see you bright and early in the morning, 6:45 a.m. Central Time. Hope you enjoy tonight. I'm out of here.